Modern delivery drones are failing. Their rotors create a deafening whine that cities simply will not tolerate in 2026. But what if the secret to silent logistics was hiding in your garden all along? We are using Honeybee flight physics to engineer propulsion systems that move heavy cargo with surgical silence. The numbers are brutal for drone companies. A standard quadcopter at 50 meters produces 70 to 80 decibels. That is louder than a vacuum cleaner. New York, London, and Tokyo have all introduced strict noise ordinances in 2026. Maximum 60 decibels at ground level during nighttime delivery windows. Traditional rotors cannot meet that standard. The whine comes from high RPM blades creating tip vortices that shear the air at specific, irritating frequencies. The human ear is exquisitely sensitive to frequencies between 2 and 5 kHz. That is exactly where drone rotors scream. It triggers a stress response. Cities are banning the noise before the technology. Enter the Honeybee. A bee wing beats 230 times per second. But you barely hear it. Because bees do not spin rotors. They flap and twist. The secret is clap-and-fling aerodynamics. Bees clap their wings together at the top of each stroke, creating a vortex that generates lift on the downstroke. This produces thrust without the high-speed tip vortices that create noise in conventional propellers. The frequency is higher, but the amplitude is lower. It is a whisper instead of a scream. Engineers at several universities are now building biomimetic rotors that copy the bee wing motion. Instead of continuous rotation, these are oscillating foils that flap through a partial arc. They generate lift through the same clap-and-fling mechanism. Early prototypes show noise reductions of 15 to 20 decibels compared to conventional propellers of the same size. That is the difference between a leaf blower and a conversation. And they maintain 70% of the lifting efficiency. The trade-off is acceptable for urban low-speed cargo delivery. Imagine a city skyline at night. Thousands of silent drones moving through designated air corridors. Delivering packages, food, medicine. No whine. No stress. No complaints. The technology exists today in prototype form. The question is not whether it works. It is whether cities will adopt it before the noise crisis kills the drone industry. Honeybees solved this problem over 50 million years ago. We are just now learning to listen. This is Animal Impact. We uncover nature-hidden engineering that is changing how humans build the future. If bees can design silent flight with a brain the size of a sesame seed, what other secrets is nature hiding from us? Subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. Like and comment below. Would you trust a silent drone delivering your package at night?